Yo, what's haps guys, NateVlog here, and today we're gonna try, there it is, Trader Joe's mini chicken tacos. Wow, you know how Trader Joe's is, it gets the views. So I had this in my freezer for quite a while and I'm like, oh geez, is this still good? Are we okay here to eat this? Oh yeah, May 14th, 2024. Alright, let's get till another year. Alright. So anyways, how do we make this? What do we do? Okay, oven. Oh, they have air fryer version. Wow, you can put the air fryer. Wow, alright, that's what we're gonna do. And stovetop. Oh, I guess you can like put it on the comal and do a little flip on that, like regular tortillas. So yeah, air fryer it is, cause 2023. You know what we gotta do. So yeah, let's see, what does it come with? Ooh, that was a fail. Oh, okay. How many does it come with? You know, it's crazy. On the front, it has like some green sauce. I'm like, oh, sauce. We're gonna sauce it up today. But yeah, no sauce. Really frozen. I don't know why they always do that. Like, do they just not do sauce today nowadays? No sauce anywhere? I don't know. Anyways, all right, let's get this going. Let's go ahead and preheat the air fryer. Let's go. Oh, here we go. Let's turn on light. Preheat option. Start. You hear that? Just turning on. All right, we're learning this now. I think we almost got it. Well, at least like halfway, you know what we're doing, right? Why is it flashing though? Is that? See, that's what's confusing. Like, isn't preheat supposed to be flashing? Or I don't know. That means it's working. I mean, I hear it. Yeah. I guess we'll see if this works out. We'll be back. Preheating. Okay, so while that's going, why don't we set this? How do we need? Let's see. Open. Oh, geez, one hand. Hold on. There we go. So this is what they look like. Cold. I mean, I would put the canola oil, but like, do we need that? Is it necessary? I guess 6 is okay. We're just trying this out. There we go. How's that look? Presentation? Good? Heard a sound, and it says ready. Look at that. We're learning. We got this. Okay, so what we need to do here is 365 for 6 to 8 minutes. Let it sit for 1 minute. All right, well, you read the instructions, so I'm gonna do exactly what it says. And if it turns out bad, you know, it's not my fault. Okay, let's get it. All right, don't burn myself. Oh, wow. Put these back down. Oh, jeez, all right, whatever. Sliding around. All right. Wait. Push that in. Close. Menu. Air fryer. Temp. Nope. Temp. 365. Time. We'll put 8 minutes. Start. Uh-oh. I don't hear anything. What do we do? Did I break it? Alright, we'll see if that goes. If the timer goes down, then we know it's all good. Take a check this again. Alright. Yeah, alright. Good. Here we go. Check up on it. Oh, why the timer's not going down. Something seems a little wrong. Incorrect, wrong, but it is cooking. And yeah, I've been reading a lot of reviews about this while I'm waiting, and they're all negative. So yeah, that's not looking good. High hopes. They said the middle looks like cat food or something. Oh, you hear that crisp though? See that? Yeah. Just the old recipe was good, and apparently now it's just trash. And yeah, well, figure that out. Why isn't the timer going though? Come on. Oh, now it's going. Yeah. Wow. Really? How long was I gone for? Ah. Guess we'll maybe 5 minutes. I mean, it's cooking, obviously. Yeah. Wow, it says Ed. All right, let's get it. Let's get this on. You hear that? You hear that? Sounds like it's ready to eat. Pull these off. Ooh, they're crispy. Yup. Clean up as you go. Sizzling hot. Alright. Take another look at them. Okay, so I'm NateVlog, and we're going to be eating the tacos from Trader Joe's. Fact, reality. Yeah, they don't look like the picture, obviously. There's no sauce. Definitely no avocado, and yeah. None of that. Alright. So, the review said that the recipe before turned out really good, and now they're just trash, nasty, looks like cat food, which I can kind of agree. It's some type of paste. This is chicken. Yeah. There's literally nothing to it. No sauce. Smells good. Yeah. All right. Cheers. See if it's cooked. Oh, and people said that they got sick from this. So yeah. Wish me luck, right? You know, it's not that bad. Honestly, just like taquitos. Definitely need sauce. Yeah. Actually, I'm surprised. Why are they hating on this? Like, this is an okay snack. I mean, it's not the best, but it's decent. It's a nice little breakfast. And here is the best hot sauce ever, Valentina. Had this in Ensenada, the real deal, and I was like, wow, where can I get this? And guess what? It was at the 99-cent store. So, highly recommend. Let's get a little bit going. Corn tortilla. See if that makes any difference. Spice it up. Pretty spicy, actually. You know, there's a step up. It's in like all black, and it's like fire Diablo sauce. Couldn't handle that. Yeah, well, I mean, It doesn't look appetizing, but it's okay. Cooked it right. Thank God. I'm gonna have to go back in there and you know, finish it off with some more cooking. So, yeah. I'll give these a 5.5 out of 10. Like, it's not good, it's not bad, it's okay. So, let me know if you guys tried this or willing to go try this at Trader Joe's. Because, for me, I don't know if I would get it again, but I will finish all of the rest in there. So, tacos for breakfast, huh? What do you think of that? Who else can do that, right? I'm starting to get hot. Eyes are starting to water. Ooh, yeah. There we go. Last one. Trader Joe's. I don't know why, but every time I do Trader Joe reviews, like, the views are just popping. I guess you guys really love Trader Joe's, not Ralph's, Walmart, none of that. It has to be Trader Joe's. And Trader Joe's is just getting out of hand. It's getting expensive. EBT, right? EBT. 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 I mean, what about Whole Foods? Would you guys be interested in Whole Foods stuff? You guys ever heard of Erewhon? Oh my God, that is absolutely ridiculous. It's like, you take Whole Foods, double it, and there you go. Ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. It's only an LA thing, guys. Only South Bay, rich people that have like all this money, and they're like, oh, how do we spend it? I know. Let's go pay $15 for one water bottle. It's like, really? Unbelievable. So, yeah, guess we'll stick to Trader Joe's. There, finished it. 5.5. Like and subscribe all the way. NateVlog, yes, approves, I guess, but yeah, you get the gist. Anyways, PayPal down below. Hit me up to support my groovy channel. Best of the best content all the way, guys. I know how much you guys enjoy it. So yeah. Air fryer, let's get it. We'll see ya. NateVlog signing out. Get some of this. I'm telling you, highly recommend. Sponsor me, Mexico. All right, see ya. Bye. Adios.